And the vlog begins in the car with Genshi and Domi, Tomato, and myself. We are in Tenerife, guys, and we're gonna skate and have a nice trip. Yeah! Look at this! Yeah. Tim, what you say, bro?
Bro, the view is nice.
Arrived in the crib. It's fucking lit.
Yeah, man.
Shout out TITUS Tornados. Banana trees. Shopping in the supermarket with the best view ever. Sheesh. Sheesh. New curbs. One more. Come on, bro. Keep it going. No. Let's go. Yeah. Boom. And now let's close the ledge. Like nothing ever happened. Yeah. Yeah. We lost in Tenerife. We lost our team manager. Yeah. Good night. See you tomorrow. Lazy. Hey. Oh! Oh no! Let's go! This is it. Oh! Right here. Tiger! Yo! Yo! Damn, dude. Ja, genau das einfach. Yeah, behind the scenes clips by G's. Crash test. Je n'ai innocent, ma nouvelle biche, elle a la trentaine. Je fais que du seul appartement, nouveau penthouse. Ça dit quoi le son? Scam, scam. Morning. Tomato is getting a massage. Jeez. Today we're gonna skate some more. Let's go, my G. Go, my G. Are you hyped, bro? Yeah. Aye. Whoa. Yeah. Go! First spot! Yeah, dude! Come on, Tomato, do the line! Whoa, Grandma's watching, Ansgar filming. Cap, cap. Ollie up. Whoa! Oh, let's go! Oh! Hey, no way! Oh! Tomato just did a crazy line. Bro. Let's go to the beach. To the beach. Woo. Yes, sir.
Oh, life is good, man.
Yo,
I'ma blow all my money and don't give two shits.
From Deniel. Hey guys, I just finished the line and I saw this. Thought like, oh my goodness, that would be so crazy. So now Tim and me are gonna do the famous McDonald's drop-in. You gotta help me with my right. Yeah, so the floor on the top was shit. So no go.
Just run right to down, man.
Let's go. Dang. Woo. Geber.
Sketchy, aber doch.
Noch überlebt.
Hola.
Hola.
Look,
I'm straight. I'm cool on that bitch. I was 13 when I hit my first lick. I be staying out the way, I can't get caught up in the mix. So keep that shit from around me if it ain't gon' make me rich. I knew that I'd make it there since I was a jit. Had a plan, then I made it make sense. I was broke, I had to go and get a fix. Let me tell you a little story about a badass chick. I was trapping in the streets and in the class too. That nigga said he got a bag, I got a bag too. You got some fame, now you watch it acting brand new. But I'm cool on your baby, I done had you. Don't be worried about these niggas, get that cat boo. She asked me why I cut her off, cause bitch I had to. I like my bitches red bone and my cash blue. I'm in love with that money, got a cash flu. Yeah, running up a check, I used to serve on the front street. She just see a bag, I know she don't really want me. I was running around with no shoes like a monkey. Posted on the block day and night like a junkie. Still remember when them pussy niggas came and jumped me. Guess them niggas mad cause they bitches wanna fuck me. I ain't had that pistol on me, nigga, so you lucky. I got it on me, now I dare a nigga try to touch me. Straight, I'm cool on that bitch. I was 13 when I hit my first lick. I been staying out the way, I can't get caught up in the mix. So keep that shit from around me if it ain't gon' make me rich. I knew that I'd make it there since I was a G. Had a plan, then I made it make sense. I was broke, I had to go and get a fix. Let me tell you a little story about a badass chick. Why the fuck these pussy niggas acting like they know me? I don't want your time, baby, I just wanna roll it. Since you say you love me, babe, don't say it, come and show me. Fuck all the excuses, nigga, pay me what you owe me. Critics telling lies, tryna kill a nigga slowly. You gon' fuck around and make me go back to the OE. Had to cut him off, cause that nigga ain't my homie. You know you ain't my bitch, so why the fuck you all up on me? Lame ass niggas tryna diss me for the clout. If you ain't fucking with me, keep my name out your mouth. I remember I was scraping change out the couch. Now I'm doing better, I done made it out the drought. But I'm still the same nigga, I just better myself. How the fuck you helping them, but you ain't helping yourself? Like how the fuck you blessing them and you ain't blessing yourself? Don't worry about them people, but you stressing yourself. I'm straight, I'm cool on that bitch. I was 13 when I hit my first lick. I been staying out the way, I can't get caught up in the mix. So keep that shit from around me if it ain't gon' make me rich. I knew that I'd make it there since I was a G. Had a plan, then I made it make sense. I was broke, I had to go and get a fix. Let me tell you a little story about a badass chick. We took him back to East
Do a kickflip.
He took me back to East Atlanta.
Big spin.
Wow, nice big spin, bro.
There's something about his manners. Havana, he didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he kept it, said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't wait. I'm doing forever in a minute.
Come Daniel, back to back.
He got Milo in him. He got me feeling ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him.
Yo.
I had to go. Oh na 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 na. Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Havana, na na.
Just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta. Fresh out East Atlanta. Up on board like a traffic jam.
I was broke, I had to go and get a shit. I was trapping in the street, I got a bad too. You don't be worried about these niggas, get a cab boo. She asked me why I cut her off, 'cause bitch, I
Okay guys, as you know I fucked up my foot, but I can still skate a little bit, so here we go, no smack time.
She just see a bag, I know she don't really want me. I was running around with no shoes like a monkey. Posted on the block day and night like a junkie. Still remember when them pussy niggas came and jumped me. Guess them niggas mad cause they bitches wanna fuck me. I ain't had that pistol on me, nigga, so you lucky. I got it on me, now I dare a nigga try to touch me. Straight.
Hurt life.
Cool on that bitch.
Hey, do a kickflip.
I was
Or
13
strap.
when I hit my
For the
first
cam.
lick. I been staying out the way, I can't get caught up in the mix. So keep that shit from around me if it ain't gon' make me rich. I knew that I'd make it
subscribe.
Awesome. Let's go, motherfucker! Oh! What? Ah! No!
Hold of feet, hold of feet.
Alright, next try. Come on, bro. Come on, you got that. Right here. Let's go, dude. Oh! Oh, shit! Oh! Yo! Oh, too fakey. Yo! Dude! Fuck yeah!
That was the best tip of my life, dude.